Computers, although very useful, are sometimes difficult and confusing to operate correctly. But a computer service in Bayshore can help you get the most out of your equipment. Zombie Computers is a locally owned and operated enterprise that can perform virtually any computer-related work that you require. We can work on personal computers or on corporate systems. Every computer setup has its own particular characteristics, so we'll examine the details of your system to give you personalized service. Whether it has been affected by a virus or your power supply unit has died, we have the skills to diagnose and correct the problem. Some of the following services that we offer include home computer services, cell phone repair, laptop repair, PC support, data recovery, and NFC programming. Call us today to discuss your computer problems with our knowledgeable team. Zombie Computers. We bring your dead devices back to life.